Hello my dear students, this is your biology teacher Shivani Dikshit, and in this video I am going to start the new topic related to the human anatomy and physiology. This is the topic that is known as excretory system. As we know that this excretory system is very important system of the human body and other organisms. We will discuss in this topic related to the things how human excretory system made up of and what are the parts related to the excretory system. What is the explanation of excretory system, how it defines other related parts, and what are the definition of excretion, what are the major excretory organs, what are the accessory organs related to the excretory system, and what is the structure of excretory system. We will discuss this labeling and the parts with function in the proper videos continuously. So let us start. First of all, we will understand the definition of excretory system. Excretory system consists of the excretory organs. These excretory organs are kidneys, liver, lungs and skin, etc. These organs concerned with excretion collectively constitute a system that is called excretory system. If we will define what is the meaning and the definition of excretion, then the elimination means removal of the metabolic waste. Metabolic waste means harmful waste. Harmful waste. Harmful waste released or removed or eliminated from the body. That process is known as excretion. This excretion done by the excretory system of the body. What are the major excretory organs in human body? That, as we know, it is kidney. This kidney is also known as the master chemist of the body. Kidney is known as the master chemist of the body. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters and a urinary bladder as well as urethra. So these are the part by which excretory system made up of. Now have a glance over the structure of excretory system. This is the structure of excretory system. As we are observing here, there are two things, the tube-like structure. One is aorta and second is vena cava. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Aorta is related to the carrying of oxygenated blood that is coming from the heart towards the kidney, and vena cava is related to the deoxygenated blood that is transported from the kidney to the heart. This arrow indicates that blood is coming from the heart, and this arrow is indicating that the blood is moving to the heart or towards the heart. There is a cap-like structure present on the head portion of the kidneys. Both sides of the kidney, left side or right side. So this cap-like structure is known as the adrenal gland, and this adrenal gland concerned for the chemical secretions. This is part number 3. As we know that this fourth is left side kidney, and if we level this number 5, that will be right kidney. So we will understand here the next part, that is part number 5. It is known as renal artery. Renal is the term concerned for the kidney, and the artery carry oxygenated blood to the kidney, that is known as renal artery. And next is the part that is known as renal vein, the vein that collects deoxygenated blood from the kidney, that is known as renal vein. Next part is the tube-like structure. These tube-like structure present below the kidneys. These two parts are in pair, right ureter and left ureter. These are in pair. This is the part that is ureter. You have to remember that ureters are in pair. Alright. Next thing, below the ureters there is a pear-shaped bag-like structure. It is highly muscular and hollow structure. This is a sac, or this sac is known as urinary bladder. The function of urinary bladder is to collect the urine. The urine what is coming towards the urinary bladder from the ureter, that is filtered by the kidneys, and this urinary bladder temporarily stores the urine. Next thing is that related to the muscle that is present below the urinary bladder, and the name of this muscle is sphincter muscle. As this sphincter muscle is a ring-like structure which actually is helpful in the holding the urine in the bladder, and while we micturate, that sphincter muscle will be open and the urine will be move towards the urethra. So we will understand that this 8th part is urinary bladder and 9th part is sphincter muscle, and the 10th part, this is known as urethra. The function of urethra is to move urine out from the body. Alright, so these are the part related to the structure of the excretory system. We will discuss this excretory system in detail, and the part of these excretory system like kidney, ureter, urinary bladder with their proper functions in the next video. That is all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.